Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west in Drax Hall towards St Ann's Bay, St Ann Parish. We are driving on the A1 North Coast Highway, also the Alan George Richard Byfield Highway, same as the AGR Byfield Highway. Alan George Richard Byfield, born 14th of December 1913 and died 30th of November 1990, was a Jamaican school teacher and politician. He was a senator of the West Indies Federation from 1958 to 1962 and President of the Senate of Jamaica from 1972 to 1980. In the late 70s, he was Minister of Education. Entering St Ann's Bay, and the sign on the left reads, "Welcome to St Ann's Bay." Crossing St Ann's Great River. To the left, you can find Windsor Road, which will take you to St Ann's Bay Town Centre, as well as towards Sussex, Limeall, Higgintown, and other places. Notably, St Ann's Bay is the capital of St Ann Parish. St Ann's Bay is home to several buildings of importance to the history of St Ann, such as the St Ann's Bay Parish Church, the St Ann's Bay Courthouse, and the Old Jail House. The Old Jail in St Ann's Bay is considered the first prison in Jamaica, built around 1750 as a fort before its conversion into a jail and house of correction in 1795. Crossing the Negro River. To the right is the Island Traffic Authority, also the St Ann's Bay Examination Depot. On the left is Bravo Street, which will also take us to St Ann's Bay Town Centre and onto Main Street, St Ann's Bay. To the left, you can find the St Ann's Bay taxi stand. To the right is the St Ann's Bay Fisherman Beach, and to the left you can find Owen Sound Drive. Entering the St Ann's Bay roundabout. The first exit on the left here will also take you into St Ann's Bay Town Centre, to Marcus Garvey Technical High School, to the St Ann's Bay Hospital, the Women's Centre of Jamaica Foundation, as well as to the Christopher Columbus statue. We have made the second exit towards Prairie. Crossing Church River. entering Priory, and the sign on the left reads, "You are entering Priory." Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.